everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Rush Clothing. He is an exclusive manufacturer for shirts. Jeans is also there, cotton pants, formal pants and cargo, jogger, total wholesale outlet. This comes in a street called Old Taragupet, which comes nearby Chickpet metro station, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the location. I'm standing in front of Chickpet metro station. So when you come to Chickpet metro station, just from here go like this little bit. So when you come little bit further, just remember this outlet, Mahalakshmi Mart. Right next to that, there is a street. Just get inside this street and follow the location. So when you come little bit further, you can just check. Here is outlet is a Rush Clothing. So this is outlet. You can just have a look. Rush Clothing. Exclusive wholesale outlet of shirt and jeans and cotton pants. So this is outlet. You can just check like this daily. Lot of parcel goes different parts of India and world. Fully loaded outlet. Amazing collections of jeans, cotton pants, formal pants, shirts you'll get here. Minimum 10,000 online, no single piece, no retail. But when you come to his outlet, you can buy set wise. Amazing collections of shirts, jeans, cotton pants they are having. Any more detail, number is on video screen. WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all the detail and just check the collections of the shirt. Superb collections of the shirt. Nice quality, price, everything is going to tell you. Brand name is Raw 51. Very nice casual shirts you're getting. And like this, all the packing and all will come. So you can just have a look. This first floor. Huge collections are there, lot of varieties of shirts, all types of shirt, jeans, cotton pants, formal pants you'll get. And like this you'll have to buy set wise. You can just check. So like this whole packing will also come and regular packing will also come. So like this you'll have to buy set wise. No single piece, no retail. So right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Sahil Jain. Sahil, tell me something about your studio. What and all you get over?
We are manufacturers of jeans pant, cotton pant, shirts and denim shirts and formal pants.
Where and all your product goes?
Dubai, Qatar, Oman and Pan India.
How many years old for you in this business?
We are around from 40 years.
Right now I'm going to show you some sample of the jeans, and also in jeans any starting price you want to tell? Just starting price? 355 is the starting price. So what size to what size we'll get?
28-36.
Okay.
First I'll show you plain pants.
Okay.
Then normal, ankle fit, regular fit, narrow fit, baggy fit, everything is available.
Can you show front, back?
Yeah.
Cool. Nice.
Everything is available. We have around 10 to 20 colors.
Plus size also you'll get?
Plus size is also available, 344, 46.
Okay, cool. And minimum 10k you'll have to buy, no single piece, no retail. But so this tone, nice, very nice.
Funky.
How many colors we'll get in this?
7 to 8 colors.
7 to 8 colors, okay.
Another funky, 7
Very
to
nice.
8 colors.
Lovely, yeah.
This is normal funky.
Okay.
Basic, light scratch.
Cool.
जो ऑफिशियल भी लोग पहन सकते हैं.
Okay.
This is ultra.
Nice.
Looks good. All brand collection, brand taste.
And your collection keeps getting updated in how many
Every
days?
7 days. We won't tell every single day it gets changed, but
Okay.
every 7 days it gets changed.
And the Google Maps is there in description below. You can, okay, this is a jogger.
Jogger.
Cool. How many colors?
Quality. 12 colors.
410, okay. But very nice, yeah. Simple, sober, elegant. This all is very nice. Again,
Official taste. It goes to all over India.
nice, very nice.
Plus Sri Lanka, Maldives.
These all are very fast moving.
Oman.
This is something new, right?
440.
440, nice. How many colors?
12 colors.
Nice. But lot of varieties, all jeans you'll get here. Cargo jeans, jogger jeans,
These are
everything
lesser
you're
ones.
getting.
390, 380.
390, 280, okay.
Quality will be very good.
Okay,
Okay. Color, zip, everything will be in guarantee. Black, only black jogger.
okay,
This is funky.
okay,
Ring fabric, straight
Okay.
fit.
okay. If you love these kind of products, people will buy only.
This will be 380.
Okay,
This is plus range.
okay,
Super item.
okay. What is the plus size, last size you'll get?
46.
Plus? Here totally you have 100 collections of jeans. You get jeans, shirts, cotton pants, cargos, jogger cargos. Yeah, tell me.
Premium range.
Very
For
nice.
showroom customers, 660, 680.
In this, how many colors will get?
12 colors.
12 colors, very nice. Whatever I'm seeing, the quality of the fabric, very nice, just like brand quality this is. You're getting for wholesale price. Any more detail, WhatsApp video call them, they'll reply you very soon.
Video call is also available.
Okay. And what is the timing of your outlet?
From morning 9:30 to 8.
And Sunday?
Sundays on call and
Okay.
available from 11 to 2.
Okay, Sundays is also open. So all cargo, joggers, 6 pockets, very nice. Jogger jeans. In this, how many colors will get?
12 colors.
Right now, I'm going to show you some sample of the formal pants.
Normal 295 starting.
Okay.
Size 28, 36 or 30, 36.
Okay, just see this blue color. Super. Fitting is also as per me very nice. No doubt.
All brand fitting, brand finishing.
Lovely colors.
You can see the finishing also.
Okay. Cool. And all prices are different of formal pant. That is just one starting price. All
295
prices are
starting.
different. Nice. Very nice colors.
What am I starting with? 330, 340.
Very nice. Yeah. Lovely.
But this will be flexible.
Okay. Cool. Very nice. And in this also stocks are readily available. 500.
Readily
100.
available. We give to wholesalers also.
Okay. So if you're in business, you want to start a new business of jeans, shirts, cotton pant, formal pant, I'm sure you'll become his regular customer. That kind of collection is having, and you're getting for very, very reasonable price. Very good opportunity. Then it's your choice, but very good opportunity for doing business. Lovely collections. These are all cotton pants.
Cotton pants.
Okay, cool. What size to what size?
28, 36.
Okay. Any starting price?
Starting price will be 410.
For how many colors?
12, 15 colors, everything is available.
Lovely. Super. Nice. Just see. So no color shrinkage in any of your product.
Nothing.
Zip quality, button quality,
yeah.
everything perfect.
Everything will be perfect. You can see everything. Buttons, zips.
Nice. The sections of the shirts. So here, what you are going to show right now in shirts?
See, shirts starting price is from 205.
Okay.
Everything sizes available. S, M, L, XL, XXL, 2XL, 3XL.
Okay. Cool.
3XL, everything is available right now.
Okay.
In future, we'll have 4XL, 5XL also.
And Raw 51 and Tuck-in is a brand name.
Yeah.
So you can just have a look like this. Okay, cool. Can you show some sample? Nice here. Very nice. How many colors we'll get in this?
3 to 4 colors.
3 to 4 colors, but very
Everything will be
nice.
different.
Okay. You have 100 collections of shirts right now?
Yeah,
100, 200?
easily.
Okay.
In shirts, we don't have more stocks right now.
Okay.
Okay, everything gets dispatched when it's arrived from the factory.
Lovely. Superb collection.
These are denim shirts. We'll have 6 to 7 varieties in this thing also, but I'll just show you 1, 2 for right now.
And you're the exclusive manufacturer for your
Yeah,
shirts.
yeah.
Cool. Nice. Very
We
nice.
manufacture shirts.
So what and all fabric you'll get? Cotton,
Cotton, twill, jacquard, imported.
linen.
Yeah, imported linen.
Very nice shirts here. And you get casual shirts.
Yeah, see, you can just check.
Superb. Very nice
These
shirts.
are all
Just check.
imported.
Lovely this white color. Nice. Plus size also you'll get.
Yeah, everything is available.
Okay. So just see this all is the collections of the shirts. Very nice casual shirts you'll get and formal also you get.
Formal shirts are also available.
Okay, formal
You
is
can just
also
have a
there.
look, yeah.
Very
All
nice
this is
print.
available.
Lovely. Just see this all are the prints. Very nice collections of shirts you're getting. Starting price he told you. Any more detail WhatsApp video call. But very nice. Just see.
These are all
print.
imported fabrics.
Nice prints. Half shirts also you'll get.
Half shirts are also available.
Okay. And in half shirt any starting price?
Half the starting price will be 220.
220.
230.
Okay. Cool.
Everything is ready for dispatch now. I'll show you this. This is all Jack and Jones taste. Jack and
Very
Jones Zara
nice.
taste.
Nice, yeah.
Small checks.
Looks amazing with jeans and all this. So lovely.
12 to 15 colors.
And this gets sold out very quickly.
Very quickly. These are all like for Kela people taste. Dubai, Oman, Qatar. It's going right now.
Okay.
Loose.
Nice.
Okay, in 12 to 15 colors we are available right now. In this we'll get
Corduroy.
half sleeve also and full sleeves also both.
This corduroy.
Yeah, corduroy.
Okay. How many colors in this?
We have 12 to 15 colors.
Okay, black, blue. You can just see. So anyway, now winter is also going to come very
Yeah, yeah.
soon. So for this,
This
if
will
you-
go on baggy pants. It looks really good.
Okay, cool. So more than 100, 200 collections of shirts are here. You can just have a look.
It's all
Nice.
again imported.
You get digital print everything.
Everything is, you can just have a look. I can't show you everything right now.
Yes, but very nice
Because
collections
of-
of shirts.
Video.
Yeah,
These are all checks. M, L, XL, XXL.
superb. Nice. Like these all are very fast moving. Yeah, anybody, even if I was in business, I would have purchased this kind of shirts.
These shirts.
Nice.
With back print.
Printed shirts. Cool. Nice.
Printed cool shirts.
Color is also very nice. Dark green and all these checks. Lovely, yeah. You should definitely come
Double
here.
pocket shirts.
Cool.
You
Nice.
can just check the size. It won't be chore size and all. It will be perfect size. All brand finishing, brand
Double
style,
pockets.
brand sizes. Yeah. All
Cool.
brand sizes.
It's nice. You have light color, dark colors, all colors you
Everything
have,
is
which is very nice. Just see this grey color. Very nice. Grey and black. Printed back. Very
Back
nice
printed,
casual shirt.
Not like the boys and all. It will be something exclusive only. You
Fear
won't
of
get
God.
everything like same.
Nice.
Which is in the market. Okay, now I'll show you half shirts.
And in this collection keeps coming when?
It gets changed. It gets changed every 7 days.
Every 7 days.
Every
Okay.
7 days.
And people who are connected with you in WhatsApp, they get all regular updates.
Yeah, regular updates.
Okay.
We have a group, we'll provide regular updates.
So
These are
where-
all rayon shirts, summer moving shirts. Just have a look.
And any more help in shirts, you can always guide them to the people
definitely.
who are in business or who want to start business.
We have like 50 to 70 varieties in rayon shirts.
Lovely
Have a
shirts.
look. All summer collection.
So nice fabrics, nice colors, nice prints, nice designs.
Just have
Very nice here. This all. This is also superb. Very nice.
It's all half again.
And this is also your exclusive manufacturing.
Yeah, everything is manufactured.
The brand name is Raw 50.
You can just see the fabric.
Very nice.
This
This
is
is
imported fabric, half sleeves.
very light. Half shirts. Okay, in half shirt, how many colors will get like this?
20-30 colors available all time.
Okay, and starting prices?
Starting price will be 230 to 40.
230. Very reasonable again. Very reasonable price.
Corduroy half sleeves shirts.
Nice. Cool. If you're in business, you want to start a new business, just WhatsApp, video call or call them. They'll send you all detailed pictures, price, and just see all these shirts. Corduroy, very nice half shirts. Best for summer and all. And so this checks again.
Checks again.
Cool, very nice. So basically you get checks, print, digital, half,
Everything will
plain,
be
everything.
available. Everything
Formal
will be
also.
available.
Okay.
Formal,
Cool.
printed, everything will be available. You can just have a look for checks first.
Nice. Cool.
Checks.
Light color, dark color,
Light
all
colors,
are
dark
there.
colors, everything will be
Very
available.
nice, yeah. This grape color,
Everything
lovely.
will be available.
Very nice shirts.
Cord. This will just cost you 240.
Wow.
240. Okay.
Nice.
All time available. Digital.
Very nice. And digital starts from what?
240 to 50.
Wow.
230.
Lovely. Easily you
it
can sell
gets
for
changed, yeah.
800,000. Easily you can sell.
You can just have it the look for the finishing.
Very nice
Mainly.
shirts. Yeah. Just by seeing only, one can make it out. And not because I'm standing in front of him.
Just
but
see
I
the finishing.
really.
You
this
will
is
find
very
this
nice.
finishing for 400 to 500 shirts, but we are just selling it 250 to
Very
60.
reasonable.
Because we have our own factory and we can do that.
And that's why you're from so many years in this business.
Definitely. Now I'll say these are 205.
Okay,
Good
205.
quality.
Okay. In this, how many color? What is the size? SML XL.
SML XL.
Okay, cool.
SML XL.
In this also you'll
205.
get plus.
No, plus sizes are not available right now, but you will get definitely
Okay.
plus sizes available in future.
Cool. So this all are the
These are
shirts.
all 205.
Okay.
Just have a look.
Nice. Superb.
205, 205.
Okay. Lot of varieties, yeah. In this also like.
Yeah.
So in this
Lot
also,
of
if you want in bulk, readily available, 100, 500, 1000 piece. This all are the 205 collection. You can just have a look. This also.
Yeah, everything is 205.
205 rupees. You're getting shirts, and that too, just see the quality and collection, colors. Such a nice fabrics for 205. So right now I'm going to show you some shirts. So you, yeah, tell me.
These are premium shirts.
Okay.
Premium shirts in the sense from 270.
Okay.
Okay. You can just have a look.
Very
This will
nice.
be the finishing. This will be the packing.
So formal
Very
shirts also you'll get here.
Formal shirts are also available.
Okay.
Okay. You can just have a look. These are
Nice.
Mocklinos.
Okay.
Waffle Mocklino.
Okay.
Just have a look for the finishing.
Very nice.
Collar will be very good. Everything is perfect. This all gets exported to India, Oman, everywhere.
Okay. So you'll get formal
And
shirts
India
also
also
here.
and Oman also.
Yeah. So you get formal shirts also here, and in
Yeah,
formal
formal
shirts,
shirts
what are the starting price?
Formal shirt starting price will be from 205.
205. Okay.
Yeah.
And in this, what size to what size we'll get?
The brand will be Tuck-in.
Okay.
Sizes will be S, M, L, XL, XXL, triple XL.
And in this one, how many color collection we'll get in formal?
We have like around 20 to 30 colors available.
Okay. So these all are the
And
formal
20 to 30
shirts.
prints.
Just check. These all are the formal shirts. Like this, all the collections will come. Size you'll get. Right now, he's showing you like this only. But this entire section, you can just have a look. Is formal shirts. So if you're looking for formal shirts, in this also a lot of varieties are there. More than 150, 100 varieties are there.
Yeah, definitely.
50, 100 varieties are there. So in this also, if you want like in bulk, 500 piece, 1000 piece, readily available. Plain, stripes, printed, all types of formal shirts you'll get here. Very nice place. Yeah. Any more detail? You
What
can.
happen is most of my stocks are
Gets
being
over.
dispatched.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. So before I wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having superb collections of jeans, cotton pants, formal pants and shirts. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.